Hello guys, welcome to my channel and I'm very happy to have you. In this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can create QR codes for your business and for your designs on wherever you want it to be displayed to increase your social visibility and to help your prospects and your existing customers to connect with you better. Thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, so thank you for coming and visiting our channel today. And in this video, as promised, you're going to be learning how to create QR code for your business. Whatever link that you have, let's say maybe your social media profile or your LinkedIn profile or your Twitter handle or your Instagram page. Fastest way by which you can create you can send it direct traffic to your landing page on a social media or even to your offline shops is by creating QR code of which you can get it featured on your design that your customers can click on or can scan, and they would have access to that information. All right, so on this video, what I have to show you is how you can easily create those QR codes. For example, you can create QR code like as I featured in our upcoming articles. You can create your QR code using custom KRL. You can use using your phone, but in this video I want to show you how you can create a QR code with your browser, on your browser rather, how you can create QR code using Google Chrome browser. Okay, for example, let's say you want to create a QR code for your Facebook, for your Facebook page, by which people can click directly on your Facebook page, and they can scan your code and it will lead them directly to your page. So on this page I want to show you an example. So trying to open my Facebook, my company page. This is Maranatha Vision Impact. This is our Facebook page. All right, so what I can do here is that by just coming to this page I can click on right click. So when you right click normally, and first of all I would like to recommend that you make sure you are on the updated version of Google Chrome. All right, so in the time past we do not, the only options that we have when you right click on your browser is you have back, you can have reload, you can save your page, you can even print your page, you can cast it, you can translate, and that's where you can view the page source, you can inspect if you are a developer, you can reload, you can go back to where you are coming from. But now you can see that we now have create QR code for this page, which is very awesome, which is very awesome and amazing. It shows that you don't have to pay maybe a developer or any designer before you can make a QR code for whatever page that you want to make online. So when you click on this, you can just come here by right clicking on your page and click on create QR code for this page. All right, so that's the first example. Let's say for example this is my Facebook page. Let's say for example I want to go to our website. This is my website, maravim.com. If you have never visited our site, I recommend that you visit the site today, and do not forget to also please and subscribe to this channel as we continue to bring in more values that can help your businesses using digital tools. All right, so this is what we do, and we also have trainings and courses online that we deliver directly to you. All right, so let's say for example this is our website and I want to create a QR code for this site so that people who are coming around or someone who just come across our offline flyers can quickly and easily scan those code and it will bring them to our website. So once again, as I said, you right click on your on the page, then you have this option, then you click on create QR code for this page. All right, wow, as you can see we now have a QR code for our website. All right, so what you have to do now is to click on download. All right, so click on download. download directly to your website, and you can save it to wherever you want to save it. And you can get it featured on your designs. Like for example, I'm currently on on Canva trying to work on a blog, and as you can see, I'm trying to see a page that I'm just designing. So once you see this website and once you see this design, you can see that you can now scan our code directly to your phone, and which would definitely bring you directly to our website. As you can see, this is a QR code on this banner, and if you scan that code, you're actually coming to our website. All right, so guys, so that is the first attempt that I would like to talk to you about. So when you click on QR code, as you can see, we have a QR code on our website now. If you click it, you can come again to this site. As you can see that, let's say perhaps I couldn't save that first attempt and I probably mistakenly closed the console. You'd have the option here on your browser. Come to your Omni browser and click again on this icon, create page for this page. Then you can see that we have the option again. So guys, this is the simple video that I want to show you, and you can easily create a QR code for your business, whatever links, whatever page that you have. All you just have to do is to click and visit that page on your Google Chrome and get it and get clicked on create QR code for this website. Another option that you can also take is to go to your Chrome extension by coming to your web store. All right, then search for scan to QR. All right, scan to QR. All right, so you can also use other extension that can make your work easier in creating QR code for your business. So guys, that's the end of this video, and I want to say thank you for watching, and watch out for more content from this channel. Thank you and have a great week ahead.